Did you know, class, that there are 6 guides in presenting your cooked poultry and game birds? The number 1 is cook your poultry either by dry heat or moist heat. Choose the right age of poultry suited for any of the 2 methods to get the best result. So, in cooking a chicken daw, you need to consider the right age of the poultry suited for it because it will suit to any methods. Yung right age ng poultry, if yung pinili mo is right age, it is suited for dry heat cooking method and moist heat cooking method. So, for an instance, young, tender poultry such as broilers and fryers are good for dry heat such as barbecue, fried, or roasted. For moist heat methods, stewing the chicken or roaster is appropriate, although all other types or classes can be stewed, steamed, or cooked with sauce. So, in number 2, choose good quality ingredients that go well with your poultry dish. Good quality means the ingredients are fresh, firm, bright in color, and well-defined in shape and texture. These ingredients may include different vegetables that are added to your chicken dish. Remember that chicken should be cut uniformly in serving sizes. So, in the second step, this told us that good quality ingredients should be fresh. Fresh yung vegetables. Firm, bright in color. Yung color ng vegetable dapat bright pa siya. Yung hindi pale. Yun. And well-defined in shape. Well-defined in shape is yung vegetable dapat is walang deformation or rotten parts ng vegetable. Dapat fresh. That's what we call fresh vegetables. So, this means we should choose good quality of vegetables in preparing your dish to get a good and delicious food, and should not forget that in cooking a chicken, it should be uniformly cut in serving sizes to also avoid undercooked and overcooked dish. So, bakit uniformly? Bakit? Kasi may tendency na yung nakat na size is malaki and yung other parts is smaller. Yung mas malaking cuts ay undercooked, hindi pa siya luto sa loob. May tendency yun. Tapos pagkain natin, meron pa palang part dun sa ilalim na hindi pa luto. So, in the number 3, cook the chicken just to the right bite and your vegetable should be firm and crispy, not mushy or limp. This gives the appearance of a well-executed newly cooked dish that is attractive and appetizing. So, why vegetable ingredients should not be overcooked? So, it should not be overcooked because if we will overcook the vegetables, it won't be that appetizing. It will be mushy. Mushy yung soft na masyado kainin. Hindi na siya crispy. Dapat yung vegetable ay nasa tamang pagluto lang. Hindi mo dapat i-overcook. Vegetable ingredients should not be overcooked because it will unappetizing. It will make the vegetable mushy, loss of crunch, and natural texture. It also can cause loss of nutrients. So, overcooking of vegetables can lose many kinds of nutrients that we don't like to lose those nutrients because kaya nga tayo naglalagay ng vegetables sa ating mga niluluto para mag-a-add ng nutrients sa ating kinakain. So, we need to preserve those nutrients. For number 4, choose the right container for your chicken dish. This can be a platter or tray made of silver-plated or stainless steel, ceramic glasses, or porcelain. The container should be spotlessly clean with no spots, cracks, or around edges, and preferably of neutral color to avoid competing for the attention with the dish. The flat containers are appropriately for dry heat cooking method recipes, while shallow containers like bowls or porcelain casserole are good for moist heat recipes. So in number 4, it says that if magpa-plating tayo, kailangan natin i-consider yung plate na gagamitin natin. Then, the number 5, when arranging the poultry dish on the platter or tray, arrange the main ingredient, the chicken, at the main at the center of the platter or tray. Then work on your way around this with your accessory ingredients. Create balance through an interplay of color, shape, and texture. So, why is balance applied when presenting cooked poultry? So, balance is applied when presenting cooked poultry because it creates visually appealing dish that showcases the food's natural beauty. Dapat balance. Hindi mo ma-overpower yung main dish. Dapat yung chicken is the main dish. Tapos mas marami pa yung garnishing. Dapat balance lang. Dapat na showcase mo pa rin yung beauty, yung natural beauty ng dish. You need to use balance. The last part is use garnishing to add to the attractive and appetizing appearance of the dish. So yun na nga. You will use a accessory ingredients, yun na yung garnishing to have an attractive and appetizing appearance. The garnishing should supplement or complement the other ingredient in the dish. As much as possible, garnishing should be fresh and edible. Remember to decorate with restraint. The garnishing should be too much as over to decorate the dish. The goal is to present the dish a simple yet elegant dish. So, yun na nga sinabi ko kanina na yung pag-design or pag-garnish ng dish, dapat hindi mo na overpower yung main. Alright, since we are done discussing the guides in presenting cooked poultry and game birds, let us have a recap. What is game birds again? So, game birds are usually found in the wild, diba? That is hunted for sports or food. Some examples of game birds are turkey, pheasant, quail, pigeon, wild duck, wild goose, and partridge. Yes. So what is the difference between the poultry and the game birds? So the poultry is raised in farm, and the main purpose of the poultry is its meat for consumption, and then the game birds are usually hunted for sports or recreation, and it is also hunted for food. Yes. That's all for our discussion. I hope you have learned something from this discussion or for this class session. And I hope that all of you have a good day